Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the stunning motion graphic animations on CapCut Mobile. So you just need to prepare these three materials. The first one is the background. The second one is these two images. You can actually use this or create this from Canva. Okay, now let's remove the green screen. You can click on the green screen and find the chroma key, adjust the color picker, and adjust the intensity. Do the same with the airplane one. Okay, click on the check icon when you are done. And now let's click on the airplane and move it to the bottom right corner. And then here, you can add a keyframe. Then move forward to the 1 second mark, and now you can move the airplane to the center and make it smaller like this, and go to this, okay, 3.5 seconds. Move the airplane again. Now make it bigger. Okay, and this is how it will look like. And if you want to have a smoother animation, you can go in between the keyframes and add the grabs. I'm going to go with ease into, and now here you can also click on the globe, go to animations, combo, and then choose the animations that you want. Okay, in this case, I'm going to add, okay, this bisect domino 2. Click on the check icon, and now here I'm going to move the airplane durations to start from here, from here I'm going to drag it to airplane and make it start at 1.5 seconds, like this. So this will be the final result. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.